Guys, it's good to see you again, and today I'm gonna open up a new season, harder season. If you didn't know, I'm a polar bear, and I'm swimming at the winter. Yeah, it's just maybe you can say it's nuts and crazy, maybe, but I'm doing this. I've been doing this already 11 years. It's 11th one, and if you wanna know more about the stuff, how to do it in proper way. Just reach me out in the comment section below, just ask me about everything. If you want to know some information about how to do it in a proper way, you can find some video on my channel, and you can use, for example, some translation, auto translation on YouTube. It's a good feature, by the way. Okay, let's do it, guys.
I think I'm overdosing. 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 I think I'm overdosing.
Okay, the new season started today, and actually, I'm gonna be honest with you. It was pretty easy for me. It's water now. The temperature was around 11 degrees, and the temperature of air now around 40 degrees. But actually, it feels like maybe 18 or even 20 degrees. It's just insane for me because it's October 23, and for me, it's I didn't know about that October in Toronto is so warm, and the weather now just incredibly warm. It's so nice, it's so sunny weather, so good weather to start with this new season. And yeah, guys, you can say just I'm nuts or but I'm crazy or I don't know, but yeah, I know what I'm doing. I know how to do it in a proper way. And if you wondering, just for last 10 years I've been sick maybe like twice, and once it was COVID case, by the way, 2 years ago, and before this one I didn't sick maybe like 8 years, like 8 years, and to stay healthy. It's, for me, this is a great result, and actually that's why I'm doing this. It's working well, and it's pretty hard to find some good information about this, how to do it in a proper way. If you're wondering about this, just wait for another videos. I'm gonna do some more episodes about this topic, about how to harder in proper way. Actually, it's one of the main topic of my channel, and I'm a web developer. For me, it's so important to stay healthy because this is some kind of work when most of the time I'm just sitting, and to stay healthy it's important for me, but actually it's important for everyone. Okay guys, yeah, it's weather today is just amazing, and This water pretty warm, but my personal record was maybe like 2 years ago, and it was like minus 17 degrees. It was winter, and it was just insane. For me, it's minus 17 degrees. I'm talking about Celsius, of course, and yeah, it was extremely cold, and it's extremely dangerous for you if you in case you don't know what you are doing. So yeah, just if you want to start, do the same. Just learn some more information about this, how to do it in the proper way, and it's a good time to start doing this exactly in the middle of October. Usually I'm starting to do this like middle of October, or maybe like November, some first days of November. It depends on weather conditions, and for now it's the best time to start doing this, and it's so healthy for you. Okay guys, thank you for watching this one, and I'm wondering to see you in the next one, in the next vlog, and let me some comments under this video about if you want to know some more information about this stuff, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye guys, see you and stay healthy. Okay, as far as I've been editing this video whole week, yeah, it's pretty slow, guys. Yeah, I got a lot of another job that should be done, and yeah, it's already next one. And today water is around 11.6 degrees. And yeah, I'm going to do it once again. Actually, if you are wondering, I'm swimming at the Ontario Lake maybe like once a week, and for most cases it's absolutely enough for you to stay healthy and to stay strong. Okay, here we go again.